So I created an application, a basic application in Node.js using TypeScript, and the main purpose was to explore Kubernetes services and how to deploy on the internet. So what I did was I created a basic CRUD application where a user can add uh, any user, and uh, it's a simple application where I can hit the URLs to get the data now. So I created like two manifests, for one for database and one for backend. So yeah, so what I did here was let me just set a bit. Yeah, so this is my manifest file where I'm creating a namespace called backend devs, creating a deployment which will be deploying two pods in nodes, and these pods will be running my backend image, right? And I am I am exposing 3000 port, and I am creating a service. And for now, I created a load balancer service so that I can hit request to my backend pods. This is my database manifest, where I am again creating a new deployment for database service, which will be running just one pod, on which our Postgres database will be running, right? And I am exposing 5432 port. Now I created a new service for it. And it's in cluster IP service. So what it will do, it will just expose this port internally, and no one can reach to this port um, externally, like on via internet. Now the configuration is such that our backend port will be able to hit it using this uh, service name and this port, which is targeting port, uh, this database port, right? So this basically the cluster IP service is exposing this port, which is matching this target port. This port could be anything. This we need to update in the connection string. I can show you, but let me just show you in the code. Uh, so I am fetching the connection string from the env file so that it's secured. Anyway, the it looks like this. This is the connection string. Password would be same as this one, pass 123. Uh, and yeah, that would be the service name, DB CIP service. And namespace, because I haven't created namespace for my DB pod, so it will be default. And here I will be mentioning that 5432 port, which will be the container service port, right? Now, as I said, like I created a Kubernetes cluster already and set it up locally. So this is my cluster running on CO cloud. And as I used load balancer service for my backend. So this is the load balancer running. So now if I hit the request, which I like already did here. So yeah, currently there are no users. So if I go to the postman and say, let say I put a post request here with the username. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, let me just quickly update the URL here, as I was earlier testing, so it's the wrong URL. Now, so now first user is added. Let me add second user. second user is added. Now, if I go to, yeah, now if I again send a request, so I can see these two users, right? So it like my application is exposed on the internet and database is secured because I can't directly reach to database. So yeah, let's just add another user and check whether it's working or not. Yes, so I'm successfully able to get it. And these, uh, let me just show you couple of uh, deployments and the commands. Deployment, because my backend is running in this, so I'm able to get, uh, sorry, my deployment is running in this namespace. So yeah, and as I said, my uh, database is not running in any namespace, so I can directly get this deployment, which is eventually running my database ports, right? Yeah. So let's just get the pods now. These are my pods. Let's just quickly check. Mm, mm. So it's fetching the correct image. Yeah, it's fetching the correct image. And these are the events. It's working fine. If I try to get logs, remote, okay, logs, conducts, injecting, yeah, so it's working fine. And I expose the, all right, might be using console log statement, that's why I'm seeing this. So yeah, that's why. So yeah, anyway, everything is working fine. Thank you.